Hi guys, it is Antoinette here again and welcome to my channel if you are new and welcome back if you're actually a subscriber. Thank you. Alright, so let us get right into it because this is something that I have been griping with. It's not something I enjoy, but I have to make it work or had to make it work. Now, I have decided that I no longer want rollerballs in my perfume collection. So, sometimes you get these, like if you get a set, like a perfume set, you get the full size perfume and maybe a rollerball, or you just go to Sephora or wherever. You get perfume and you get like a rollerball. Oftentimes, I don't want a full size bottle of a perfume and the rollerball is available, so I'd get the rollerball. But there is something about this that I do not enjoy. I much prefer spray bottles. And in all honesty, I feel like it may last longer rolling it on than to like spray it because I am a chronic oversprayer. I'm never going to change that. This 1-2 spritz, 1-2-3-4 spritz is not me. Like I like to douse myself in fragrance. So I've always been, and maybe that's why I also don't like rollerballs because I can't go around and roll it all over my clothes. So I prefer sprays. So I am going to show you how to actually change these. Sorry about that. So I'm back. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to change these from being rollerballs, or I shouldn't even say change them. Decant these from rollerball bottles and put them in spray bottles. So what I will be using today is one of these travel size bottles from, I got this from Amazon. It's a set of 4. It came with a pink one, a blue one, a black one, and a silver one. So I'm going to be using the pink one today. And you simply screw it up like that. And you can take out the container. If you see, there's actually a little liquid in there. This is actually alcohol because I had another fragrance in there. And I cleaned the bottle. And how I clean the bottle is actually with alcohol. So I rinse the bottle with alcohol and then spray the alcohol, run the alcohol through the hose so that I can get rid of that fragrance, so that when I put in the new fragrance they won't mix, right? So this is what I will be using, and I actually have this tool. This came in a package, another order from Amazon, and this is what you will actually use to remove the rollerball covers. Yeah, your usual rollerball bottles. Yeah, so you would use this, and it comes with different sizes for the different size roller balls. So all I'm going to do is take this out and just rest it one side or to the side. Like that's just like the very Jamaican way of saying it. You gotta rest on one side. So today we will be decanting the Alexander McQueen Kingdom perfume, and it just looks like that. Really lovely scent. I got it from my cousin. You see the caps beat up. It's crazy because I haven't even really used it. I've only recently started using it because I forgot that I had it in my collection, and I thought that it was a very nice scent, so let me decant it so I'll actually get more wear out of it. So you see there is a roller ball cover on this container. So you want to be careful because I'm going to actually open it and I'm going to rest it one side, and I don't want it to spill because now the cap will be off. So you know what, let me take off the cap off this one first so I have everything ready. So you see it's just a screw top, and this is actually glass. Then I am going to take this tool. I'm going to use the side that best fits this one, so it looks like this side, and you're literally just going to put it at the base. Let's see if it will focus. Right here at the base of the cap, and you're going to press this tool and you're just going to lift it off. You see it's already come up, and I'm just going to lift it out. All right, it's up enough for me to be able to just take it off like that. And the good thing, you know what, I'm going to go for the other things that came with this set so I can show you what this is actually like. One second. Okay, so I'm back. All right, so I'm not even going to lie to you. I'm not sure where the other contents that came into this package are, but this is the package for these, and this also comes with a little traveling pouch. I guess instruction on how to use, but this is actually what I wanted. So the package that comes with this, it comes with a little spray nozzle. So if you have your regular perfume, I don't have any perfumes in here, you could take off the cap off your regular perfume, attach this cap, and then you just take it, put it in there, and you squeeze your perfume and be able to fill up this bottle, right? But what I'm actually looking for is this. So this is just a little funnel, so it's going to make the job a lot easier and a lot less messy. I'm just going to drop it into the bottle like that. I'm going to take my Rollerball perfume and I'm just going to pour it in. Ooh. Almost missed the mark. I almost did too much. But there we go. We have one full bottle of perfume. And then I am going to replace the cap. Just like that. Right. So I'm just replacing the cap like this. And I tighten it. Then I put it right back into this tube. And there we go. So now I have a spray version of my Alexander McQueen. I didn't even know that it had so much in there, like it didn't full it, but that's fine. I can just roll out the rest of this and have this to spray. But yeah, so I now have a spray bottle version of my Alexander McQueen Kingdom fragrance. I didn't even know that it was this color because of how dark the bottle is, but that's fine. And now I can just go ahead and spray my perfume just the way I like it. This is how I go all over. This really smells good. Yeah, so I do hope that this video was helpful, and I will be decanting several of my other rollerballs into containers like this. And I know that they do have bigger ones, so if I wanted something that could accommodate all of the liquid that's in this rollerball, or if it's a rollerball that is larger, they have larger versions of this that you can use. And I will link, well, I'll definitely link this one below, and if I find the larger ones easily, I will link those below as well. And I am super happy with this. Like, I am very happy with this. As I said before, this is not my first time using it, but because I was doing it this time, I said let me record so I can share it with you. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified every time I post a video. All right, thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.